All right, what is up? What is up, everyone? Today we're gonna be working on this diff here. So I bought this off eBay. Shout out to eBay. So I took off these bolts here. I'm gonna, I guess, take off the plugs and then maybe the speedo sensor because it's not coming off. I'm sure it's sealed, but I don't want to potentially break any of this. But oh, I'm missing a bolt. Oh yeah, these two guys. I'm gonna take those off too. Got the cover off. It was just 2 more bolts, just like that one, and it came right off, and then it gushed oil everywhere, so I had to clean all that up. So that was good. I have this I think it's 1/4 inch bar, but I'm gonna do the plate. So I'm gonna measure it, cut 2 little plates, probably tack all the corners, and then lay this in there and just fully weld everything. Measure in here, I'm gonna say 2 inches. 2-inch scrunch.
Hey yo, what the?
Weak. Alright, so that probably isn't like the most, but I'm getting impatient. And I want to see this. I'm nervous. I guess let's send it, right?
Just gonna send it!
Boogers, oh, I didn't turn my gas on. Oh my god. Might as well throw it away now. Didn't have my gas on, so. All right, plate number 2. This one I gotta be a little more, no, we're good. Hopefully this works, and this will be like a good video to show that you don't need a giant 220 welder. You just need to be smart and plate it and preheat and yeah, mostly plate it and just weld the piss out of it. Enjoy this time lapse. This is so funny looking. Alright, so day 2, I just went back and re-welded all the corners and stuff. I just absolutely caked welds in there. Yeah, it spins a little crunchy. Oh, yep, see? So, let's kind of work out the slag. Alright guys, well, turns out you need a special socket. I didn't have it, so I went to the store. And it's a new day.
Whoop, whoop. Here I come.
And I got help, so. Great news, angle grinder's coming out. I was able to get off.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I was able to get off all but one. Yeah, so I rounded this bolt multiple times, so I'm gonna have to cut a slit in it and then I think put a screwdriver and pray that I can get it out. If not, I don't know. Yeah, I rounded it again. So I cut a line in it and tried to use a screwdriver and pry it out. Didn't work. And then I welded a nut on, broke it off even more, broke off half of what I cut. And then I welded on another nut, same thing, another nut, same thing, just keep breaking all the nuts off. 2-3 days and many failed attempts. I'll show you what I did. I welded this wrench on here because I tried chiseling it. You can see all my marks. None of it works. So I welded this wrench on and just beat the shit out of it and it moves. So you can see it's moving, but now I have to either cut the wrench or bend it so I can twist it out of there. Looks like a fast food hat.
Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Can I take your order?
So I've been under here cutting this bolt. So not a bolt, but basically I got it the wrench on there so it moves, but now I can't turn it because there's all this metal. So now I'm just cutting off the metal, and I'll cut off the wrench and then hopefully be able to just take the whole bolt out. I've broken 3 of these so far. They just kind of explode at me, so that's fun. Look at this thing. After days, a day or two of messing with it, welding, I welded 3 nuts and a wrench, and was finally able to get it off. All right, little update. I got the sway bar unhooked from both sides. It's just a little 13 on each. And so then I'm gonna work on these 2 diff bolts here. So 18, and put my jack up here, and then do the front one, and hopefully it'll come out. We just transferred these little seals, the flanges over. So I got both of them on here, spins. Transferred them from the old diff. I got the new bolts in. So as you can see, the new ones are like a couple millimeters shorter than the old ones. So hopefully that's not a problem.
I want to do it because it's fun. It's fun to do bad things, to drive into a car.
But did you know that you could perhaps kill somebody?
Yes, but I wanted to do hood rat stuff with my friend.
Look at that face. Freak out of here.